Good morning. Today I'm going to discuss the natural selection. This is a natural selection, this topic. Here it will applicable for our life also. Now this natural selection is proposed by what is that? Charles Darwin. Right? Charles Darwin. And how he is proposed? He is an ordinary student. What made him to do this? It is inspired by two essays that is written by Thomas Robert Malthus. Anyone? Now, what are the two theories? That is what essay on the principle of population. One is essay on principle of population. Next, theory of human population. These two things inspired. Look, these are very, very important. He is only a stepping stone. He has reached the sky. To become, for students also, I'll tell students, we know how we have very little knowledge, on 10%, but you have got 100% of the knowledge. We can inspire, right? Bruce Lee has been inspired by the master, but Bruce Lee only we know. Einstein inspired by their teachers or mother or relative, but we know only Einstein. Or any great people, you are going to become great. Think that we are an inspirator or negative inspirator also, it may bring a positive result. Therefore, just you have to get inspired. That's all is important. Now, what is principle of, see, he has been inspired by these two essays by this person, and Darwin became famous. But nobody knows Thomas Robert Matthew. Generally, they will ask in the NEET, who are the inspirator? What are those essays? Right? Why don't you go and read the essays? You also get inspired. You'll become more than the Darwin. The Darwins are old timers. Let us, okay, come back. What is principle of natural selection? It is 5 important observations and 3 important interferences. Based and principle of natural selection, you have to remember 5 important observation and 3 inference. Everything, if you know this, based on this is done. What is that? I'll tell you what is that. 5 important observations. Remember, I'm going to introduce 2 things. If I write like this, it's called bacteria, short form. This is variation, or you can write, this is called variation. And non-bacteria, this is virus. And bacteria, these are the easy, what do you call, vocabulary. And PT is what? Population at any time. P naught is initial population. R naught is that this much is enough now. Outline I'll tell. Rapid multiplication. Observation 2. Stability of population. Population stable. Observation 3. Natural resources are limited. Observation 4. Variation. Observation 5. Inheritance of useful variation. Look, rapid multiplication, stability of population, natural resources. First three, 1, 2, 3, gives what? Struggle for existence. These observation for struggle for existence. There exist. In mathematics, I'll use not there exist. That I'll use struggle for existence. Then the variation inheritance is called survival of the fittest. This is survival of the fittest. Then struggle for existence and survival of the fittest together gives what? Formation of a new species. Formation of new species. You give some symbol. A new species. Got it? This is the way I remember. Right? This I will discuss in a next class in a detailed way. Right? You become a teacher. You write it this in the board. Take a snapshot. Right? Then take a snapshot. Do it without looking. Once you revise, this I will discuss in a detail. Alright? Thank you.